Would you like to find out how you can prevent up to 95% of all errors at an early stage before the commissioning of your production lines? And above all, how you can virtually examine the interaction of many components with little effort? It's simple. With Simulation for Automation. Simulation is the key to efficiently designing production lines in factories so that all components work together seamlessly. Plant operators in every industry can use simulation to validate and optimize their production plants and factories. Are you planning a new plant? Or would you like to make changes to an existing one? How can you make the right investment decisions? That's where simulation comes in. Our Tecnomatix Plant Simulation makes it possible to virtually map the behavior of the entire plant. This efficiently optimizes the material flows and interactions with automation. With S7 PLC Sim Advanced, the automated behavior of the plant is simulated, and various scenarios like load changes and random errors can be tested. Using simulation, errors can be identified at an early stage and eliminated. Among other things, this eliminates high follow-up costs. The intralogistics systems in your company play a crucial role when it comes to productivity and efficiency. But how can you ensure that these systems perform at their best? Our Tecnomatix Plant Simulation lets you model your intralogistics systems and optimize layouts and system reliability. The simulation is connected to the S7 PLC Sim Advanced to validate the automation of the system in relation to performance metrics for a seamless integration of intralogistics systems. Today, flexibility is a must for modern production. But how can you ensure that your AGV systems meet this requirement? Our Tecnomatix Plant Simulation also lets you model AGV systems and their interaction with production processes. Using simulation, you can determine the right fleet size, optimal positioning, and all control strategies. Simulation for Automation allows you to efficiently validate and optimize your production lines and factories. Errors detected at an early stage can be eliminated, and you can make solid investment decisions. Commissioning time is reduced, and your plants become even more efficient. Join us on the path to efficient and digitalized production.